everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aijin Senpoi. Today, I have something truly out of this world, the latest MoonSwatch Mission to EarthPhase. This release from Swatch and Omega has already caught everyone's attention, and we're diving right into the unboxing. This timepiece is already making waves, and I can't wait to share all the details with you. So grab a seat, and let's unbox this beauty together. First, let's talk about the packaging. As always, Swatch never fails to impress with its sleek and eco-friendly approach. It's minimal yet vibrant, reflecting their commitment to style and sustainability. Let's get started. Alright, as we open the box, you can see Swatch's signature attention to detail. The packaging is sleek, minimalist, and instantly tells you that you're about to unbox something special. Let's see what's inside. The moment you open the box, you're greeted with Mission to EarthPhase mini booklet. Let's take a quick close-up. This booklet explains the revolutionary EarthPhase complication, a feature that's truly unique to this watch. It shows you how Earth's phases are displayed from a lunar perspective. Such a cool concept. Now, this is a cool addition. Swatch has included a glow-in-the-dark touchlight, which you can use to illuminate the EarthPhase feature at night. Let me turn it on and show you how it works. It's perfect for highlighting the intricate glowing details of the watch. Here's another treat. A MoonSwatch collection book. This booklet showcases all the incredible watches in the MoonSwatch lineup, including their inspirations and designs. If you're a collector, this is a great piece to have. And here we have the Mission to EarthPhase user manual. Swatch ensures that every detail of the watch, from its unique features to basic care tips, is explained in this guide. A must-have for anyone new to the MoonSwatch series. Swatch also provides a list of their store locations worldwide, making it easy for fans to track down their favorite MoonSwatch pieces no matter where they are. From major cities to small boutique stores, Swatch is truly global. And of course, here's the warranty card. A reminder that Swatch offers excellent after-sales service. Oh, by the way, I got this watch from the Swatch store located at Mid-Valley in Malaysia. Their staff was super helpful and made the entire experience so smooth. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, here it is, the MoonSwatch Mission to EarthPhase. Look at that stunning textured dial, inspired by the moon's surface. The vibrant blue EarthPhase detail painted with UV glow adds such a futuristic touch. The black tachymeter bezel ties the whole design together, keeping it classic yet fresh. This watch doesn't just tell time, it tells a story. It's light, durable, and feels amazing on the wrist, thanks to Swatch's signature bioceramic material. Swatch and Omega have absolutely raised the bar with this one. Not only does it track the familiar moon phases, but it also shows how Earth would appear if viewed from the moon. a completely unique feature that has never been done before in the history of horology. The design is stunning. It feels incredibly light on the wrist, thanks to Swatch's signature bioceramic material. This makes it durable and comfortable, all while being environmentally friendly. Plus, the Mission to EarthPhase sticks to the accessible pricing philosophy that makes the MoonSwatch line so collectible. This watch isn't just about technical brilliance, it's also a statement piece. Whether you're at a casual outing or under the night sky, this timepiece is guaranteed to turn heads. Now, let's check out the features in detail. The EarthPhase complication syncs perfectly with the lunar cycle, making it not just a watch but a storytelling piece. For those wondering, the EarthPhase and MoonPhase rotate every 29.5 days. Opposites, but equally mesmerizing. So there you have it, folks. The MoonSwatch Mission to EarthPhase. A watch that doesn't just tell time, but also brings the cosmos to your wrist. If you're as fascinated as I am, let me know in the comments. Would you grab this one? A watch that's innovative, stylish, and collectible. What do you think about this new addition to the MoonSwatch family? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unboxings and reviews. See you in the next video.